4,000 hours up to 8,000 hours now. Welcome to the channel. My name is Roy, and this is Just Living Life. I created this channel a couple years ago just to show things that I do on any given day, doing projects around the yard, around the house, doing some camping stuff, lawn and garden stuff. Lately I've been doing a lot of e-biking stuff. So it's anything that that I'm involved in. A lot of my hobbies. As y'all know, I have another channel. It's a motorcycle channel. In that channel I got monetized. It's still a small channel. I only have like 1,800 subscribers on that channel and stuff. And I don't make enough from AdSense on there to get paid out every month. I make about $40, $50 to $60 a month, so it takes me 2 months to get paid out. And to get paid out, you got to make that $100 threshold. On this channel here, Just Living Life, I'm sitting at 477 subscribers as of making this video. And I'm sitting at 3,700 view hours. So in order to get monetized, as right now, you need 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have, and 4,000 watch hours. I'm getting close to that 4,000 watch hours. I'm at 3,700, all right? But I still need to get a lot more subscribers. So I'm thinking it's pretty good, I, I can hit that 4,000 mark and then work on getting the subscribers. Now YouTube just came out with that they're going to raise it up to 8,000 watch hours for long form content, starting in February or something like that next year. I don't do this YouTube stuff to to make killer money, but come on, yes, making those thresholds and getting paid out or whatever, it's just one of those goals, and throwing a couple extra bucks, to me, where I can put in, back into the channel, like buying a different camera or buying some stuff for, like I said, I've been doing a lot of e-biking stuff, buy some e-bike stuff and doing some reviews on that, I'm not in it to make killer money. I don't know why they're doing it, but they're going to lose a lot more smaller channels, in the more realistic creators, I don't watch those big channels because it's I don't know, I think you lose the authenticity when you get that big, and it's just too big for me, to watch. I like watching the smaller channels, and if, smaller channels don't have that, if they're not going to be able to, get to that monetization to where it makes it worthwhile, are they going to stay? I know there's people out there that don't even care about it. They just like putting up their videos and just showing what's, whatever their niche is and stuff like that. I'm pretty much going to stay doing my videos when I want to do them or whatever. Like with my other channel that's monetized, like I said, I make 40, 50, 60 bucks a month, which takes me 2 months to get paid out. I don't make killer money on that. I make more money in affiliate marketing, with like when I, some of the things that I purchase and whatever, and get affiliate marketing pay for that. I make more money in affiliate marketing than you do with YouTube. Like this channel here is not monetized, but I make a few bucks doing affiliate marketing. And I just take all that money and, put it back in the channel. Like I said, my e-bikes, my Velatruck that I purchased last year, that was all money that I made from affiliate marketing. I used that money, saved it up, and bought 2 e-bikes. One for me, one for my wife. Of course, you haven't seen my wife yet ride it. Hers is still brand new, don't even have the 1 mile on it. But I got to get her riding. But anyway, I'm going to continue. Yes, I'm a little frustrated with the 8,000 watch hours, but I do not have the subscribers to even make it yet. Like I said, I was close to the 4,000. I'm close to the 4,000. If I could hit the 4,000 watch hours before February, I really need to work on the subscribers. I don't have the subscriber base to even do it before February. So it doesn't really, it matters to me, but it doesn't pertain to me because I'm not going to make it to, I don't think. Unless, I miraculously get a bunch of subscribers. But anyway, I just wanted to give my 2 thoughts on this whole 4,000, 8,000. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. I'm going to, I think my problem with not getting the subscribers is because my niche is my niche is too broad. I will not niche down. I'm not going to do just an e-bike channel. I'm not going to do just a camping channel. I'm not going to do just a lawn and garden channel. I'm going to, if my niche is my life, that's what my niche is, what I want doing. And most of it is outside stuff. You could say it's an outdoor channel, but I'm not going to niche down my niche, to a specific one thing. I'm just going to keep it broad. So that's probably why I don't get the subscribers, because I'm doing a YouTube. I'm doing a e-bike video here. Then I'm doing a garden video here. I'm doing a bird thing here because I do like to feed my birds, and I show some do a couple little quick reviews of bird feeders and stuff like that. Or I'll do a maintenance video. But I think that's why I don't have subscribers. But I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. Yes, it'd be great to make that, few bucks from YouTube. But if it don't happen, it don't happen. I can work out, make my money, a little extra money with the affiliate marketing. And that'll help out the channel. But I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. And if I do eventually make that 1,000 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours, then I'll get monetized for this channel. And then with my other channel, I've slacked off on making videos a little bit. It's been slowing down, so I'm thinking you're gonna have to, I know you got to put out videos every now and then, but to stay in the YouTube partner program. But I think you also, now you're gonna have to stay with the, stay within those 8,000 hours. I don't think I'm gonna be able to, so I may get demonetized on my other channel eventually. I'm not sure. I haven't really looked into the analytics to see what I'm bringing in for watch hours lately, so I'll have to check on that. But anyway, that's my take on the 4,000, raising it up to 8,000 watch hours. I'm going to continue making my videos. Hopefully you guys continue watching me. And if you haven't already, and you think my content's interesting, I greatly appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button. Because I need to make it to 500. That's my next goal, 500. I'm getting close to the 500. And then the 1,000, of course. And then we'll work on those watch hours again, down the line. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for staying this long. And if you want to watch my next video, There'll be one up here. See you in the next one. Peace.